Often we get asked, why does my child need to see a pediatric dentist? There are several reasons. First off, this is our area of expertise. I've spent 10 years of my life in training to be able to provide services as a pediatric dentist. So what does that allow us to do? Our office is kid-friendly. We don't have a lot of scary stainless steel, metal, sharp, pokey things lying around that's going to make a child nervous. The next thing is we treat primary teeth or baby teeth all day long. That's what I do. And they're not adult teeth. Anatomically, they're different. They're sensitive in certain ways that adult teeth are not sensitive in. We can treat those teeth and take care of them in one visit, and hopefully that's all it takes. My goal is I only want to fix each tooth once. I like to use an analogy. If mom or dad was having heart troubles, would you go see a pediatric cardiologist? Most likely not, but if your child was having heart troubles, you would most certainly seek out a pediatric cardiologist. We are comfortable with taking care of children. That's a huge part of being a pediatric dentist. When the child gets anxious and nervous, is my heart rate going to go up? Is my blood pressure going to go up? Am I going to be able to remain calm? And if the child can sense that, then they are much more willing to let us proceed and get done what we need to. If I get nervous and anxious, then it gets more difficult to take care of these procedures. I know what to do if we're halfway through a procedure and the child starts having a hard time. Another reason that I feel like pediatric dentistry is important is education. Much of the dental problems that children face are preventable due to proper education. There's a lot of misinformation out there. Because I treat teeth all day long on kids, I'm the best source for information about what you can do to help keep your kids' mouths healthy. We often don't like letting cavities go for a few years before they become a big problem to take care of them. It's much easier to take care of a small problem before it turns into a big problem. And in our world, a big problem is an extraction and an infection, and we want to avoid that. 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 We want to avoid